Hi, Mama.
You lost them.
He found them.
You had to get new ones because you lost them in Dallas?
They were stolen. At my Jeep.
Oh,
Did I lose them before?
yeah.
No, I lost them before I found them.
Oh, okay.
And then they got stolen out of my Jeep.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
where's the
I
sweet
found them.
baby?
No.
Do you want to wake up for the world?
They're very nice.
Do you want to wake up for the world? Not so
Isn't that the last
much.
time you were home?
Not so much.
Yeah, I lost those and I found them. The stolen part was
Wow.
important. So let's watch them.
You're in a milk coma. You're in a milk coma. Oh my god. Out of control, little girl. Out of control. You are so beautiful. You're so cute. You're
Just
so
from back here, you can see how little she is.
You're so cute. Yeah, I know. I know. Ah, gaga.
See, we're getting the 360 of this experience.
Oh, such a good girl. Such a good girl. Alright. Okay.
I uploaded 25 photos. There's a lot of you and
Me?
There's stuff with you and Jessica.
I will be tagging later.
Yeah.
It's all about that one. Hi, I can't get my head up.
Oh, cutie pie.
You're such a sweet baby. You're such a sweet baby. Colin, could you hand me the remote that's back there, please?
Where's it?
Oh, I know. Don't worry, we're
Back
going to the other
here.
side.
Where?
It falls
She's
next
baby's
to the
first
bed.
American Idol.
Where? Oh, this remote?
Yeah.
Oh, this controls the TV?
You need to turn it on the wall first, though.
Oh, okay.